Good morning all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing very good in your home and enjoying your holiday. So this is your robotics class, and what we are going to do today that we are making the fruit catcher game with the home screen. We have done till now, right, the home screen with the button start the game. We will add the another button, that is the instruction. So we are going to add the button instruction and activate that button also. I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's see how we will add the button. So we have to make the fruit catcher game. The game, all of you know that the coding of the game, and how the blocks are arranged in the fruit catcher game. So this is the fruit catcher game. When I click on the green flag, you can see this button. So this is the coding for the ball. Means that ball have to move the. If I click on the right button, it will move on the right. Otherwise, it will move on the left. So this is the coding of the ball, and this is the coding of our. This is the coding of our apple, right? This codes will the increase. Now, what we have done till now, we had made the one button that is start the game. And when I click on this button, you can see the game is started. Now, when I use our keyboard, it will collect our apple. So, what we will do today? First of all, we will go on this page. Then you can see what I have done. We have in this sprite, what I have done is the when I click means that when I use this option, when I take this one from here, the switch background to light bulb. This background should be shown. So where it should be, you can go on the background, click on the search, and you can use the pattern. You can choose the background from here and you can make this blocks. Now again, when this sprite click, in this, what is that? You can go on the event and take this one, and again next block is the broadcast start the game. So how you will do that? You will take this and you can write the message. You have to write from this one, and you can write the start the game. What will be the message you wanted to write here? Now, what we have to do that, as I told you that we have to make the two buttons. Here we have the start the game. Now, what we have to do that, we have to make the another button, that is the instruction. For this, I will click on this button and I will click on the brush. And after that, I will draw a rectangle here. For this, I can choose my color. Suppose I want it should be the little dark. I will choose it. Click on the square and make a rectangle like this. I will arrange according to the. It is showing on the preview. Right? You can see the instruction. Now what I have to do that, I have to activate this button also. So for this, what I will do, I will go on the code. Thing is that, as you can see, what is the how this button works. When I click on the start the game, it is starting. Right? So what we will do here in this, that first of all, when I click, this button should be displayed. Means that when I go on the books, when I click, the button should be the display. Right? When this sprite click means that when I click on the instruction, it should be show the instruction of the game. As I have done, when I click, it have to show when I click on this option, when I click on this sprite, it should be the show the instruction. So for this, what I will do, I will go on the event. When this sprite click, it should be the broadcast the message. Now here I have to write the another message, that is the instruction. For this I have to make another right. This is the when this sprite click broadcast instruction, means that when we will go on the instruction, जैसे ही भी हम लोग instruction पे click करेंगे, instruction उस game से related whatever will the instruction, it will be showing. Next thing is that when I click on the instruction, so instruction should be shown. So I will make the another thing, another rectangle I have to make with the different color. Right? I will, one second, I am taking the another color. Okay. Now keeping the brightness. So I had made like this. Okay. Right. Now this is the sprite for the instruction of the game. Now what we have to do, that we have to write the instruction. First of all, I have changed the color. We have to write the instruction related to the game. So I have write some of the instruction. So this is the coding for this instruction of the game. So first of all, when we start the game, this should not be displayed. That's why I have taken when click and hide. Then after, when I receive instruction, means that when I receive this sprite, so this should be displayed, the instruction related to the game. So when I receive instruction, it should be the show. Then again, what we have to do, that as you can see, when we click on this, it should be disappear also, because then after we will go on the game. After reading the instruction, we want to go on the game, right? So when I have to click on this, and then it should be disappear also. So for this, when this sprite click, means that when it is declared, it should be the hide. So I will take this. It should be the hide. I hope it should be working fine. See, this is the working fine. And when click, switch background to light 2. And when this sprite click, start the game. When I receive the start the game, it should be the hide. Similarly, we will do it for this. When click, it should be the show. When this sprite click, broadcast instruction. Now again, one more thing I have to add here, that when I receive instruction, that it should be like this. Here you can use this one also. When I receive the instruction, remove this, it should be. So this is the block coding for the last sprite, that is the instruction game. This is the when click. When the game will start, when I click on the green flag, it should be the hide. When I receive the message, that is the start the instruction, it should be the show. And when I click on this sprite, it should be the hide also, because after reading the instruction, it should be the hide. So let's see how it is working. I will click on the green flag. See, this is the two buttons, start the game and the instruction. When I click on the instruction, this will appear, right? This is the instruction related to game. This is the fruit catcher game. You have to collect the fruits and number of the fruits you have collected, the score will increase. I will click on this again and it disappears again. Now I have to go on the game. So I will click on the start the game and the game will be the start. Now I have to move our bowl like this and collect our fruits. See, it is moving like this and collect our fruits. Right? So student, this is the fruit catcher game with the home screen. Let me come back to the screen and stop this. So you can see, student, this is the block coding of the ball. If you want, you can pause the video for each and every blocks coding, right? This is the block coding of the ball. I have done the changes in this only that instead of the when click, I have taken when I receive start the game, because when, as you can see, you have remembered that when the game will start, this is not the screen is displaying. The screen is the two buttons containing the start the game and the instruction. So that is why I am taking when I receive start the game and it is in the events block, right? And this is the block coding for the bowl, right? You can pause the video and arrange, check in every block and arrange these blocks, open the scratch in your home and arrange the blocks according to this. Again, this is the block coding for the apple. Only the same changes as we have changes done in the ball is that I have add one block, that is the when I receive start the game. When I receive start the game here also, because when the game will start, it should not be shown, the ball and the apple. Now come to this. This is the blocks of the block coding for the our sprite one which we have collected, the buttons which we have created. This is the when we click on the green flag, the background should be the light 2, it should be the show, and when I click on the start the game, it should be the game should be the start, as well as the button should be the hide. So these are the block coding. You can pause this video and check this codes also. This is the block coding for the sprite 2 for the instruction button. Again same as we have done for the start the game. When I click, the background should be the light 2, then it should be the show. When this sprite click, broadcast the start the instruction, and when I receive the start the game, it should be the hide. Now last block coding for the last sprite, that is instruction page, instruction of the game. When the game will start, when the green flag will click, it should be the hide, it should not be shown, so it should be the hide. When I receive start the instruction, which is coming from here, you can click on this start the instruction, you can take like this, it should be the shown, because when I click on the instruction related to the game should be the shown, right? So it should be the shown. Now when this sprite click and hide, it should be the hide, because after reading the instruction we have to go back to the game also, right? So for this, when this sprite click, it should be the hide. So students, this is the block coding for the fruit catcher game with the home screen. I hope all of you understand the codes and how the blocks are arranged. In any case you did not understand, pause at every block coding and pause the video in every portion where I have described how the blocks are arranged. I have shown you that these are the blocks. Pause the video and open the scratch in your home, in your laptop, in your computer, whatever you have in your home, and arrange the blocks like according to this and click it in your home. I will, when you will come to the school, I will ask each and every student that how they will add the home screen, how they will add the buttons in their whatever the game. This is the fruit catcher game. You can add the buttons in every game. Whatever whatever the game you want to make, you can add the button also. So I will ask each and every